So it's a new day and we're back out here. There she is. So I've actually already gone. I went to the next town over to my buddy and I got the new solenoid for the bypass valve because mine was all broken right here. So shout out Frederick Lovejoy. Fucking Dustin. Yeah, so I got that, and he also gave me the flange and downpipe, which I actually modified. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll work. So that finished the exhaust. I'm actually still waiting on the bung for the wideband, so I can put it in the exhaust, so I can use my AEM wideband. Other than that, just waiting on the upper hose for the radiator, the coupler for my intake, and the wiring harness. Other than that, everything is done. So yeah, I actually got to get the car out of here because my uncle needs to shop this week, and my harness won't be here for another week or so. So yeah, going to get her out of here for him so he can use shop. Not the prettiest welds in the world, but it doesn't leak, so it's all good. God, these wheels look so good on this car, man. Well, I figured you guys might want to see what it looks like on the ground. Damn, that's mean. Wide boy. Wide boy. So good. I'm still mad about this. That rain visor actually flew off on the highway while I was on the trailer. I'm gonna move back from Texas to Wisconsin, so I gotta get another one or just take all of them off. Cause that random green spot has to go. Damn. Meat. Oh, it looks so good. I love these wheels. Plus, I mean, 1J. Woo. All right, boys, so she's back in a cut, sadly. There's really not a whole lot left I need to do. Just kind of waiting on that harness. Everything else will be here in the next couple of days, so yeah, videos might be a little bit more scarce over the next couple of weeks, well, week and a half, till I get that harness, and then I'll start taking some drifting videos. Hopefully, granted that everything runs well. But yeah, so I guess that kind of just about does it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.